welcome to TB's Life. Many of you may know that I have been on a healthy journey, and I am so excited to bring one of my go-to recipes that's part of my healthier lifestyle. So stick around. Hi, this is TB, and this is my journey to a healthy lifestyle. So I absolutely love green smoothies. So today I am going to show you one of my go-tos. So this one is all about hair, beauty, and skin. I'm a big advocate for having a routine for your skin and practicing self-care. And whether you realize it or not, that beauty does start within. So I'm going to show you a healthy recipe that is catered for skin. So this is like a mango banana type of smoothie. So as you can see, I have some fresh spinach. You can use any type of greens that you want, but for this smoothie, I'm using some greens. I have 1.5 cups of frozen mangoes. I have my coconut water, which I'm going to need a cup of that, and I have a frozen banana. I am huge on freezing my fruit because they are excellent for making smoothies. Now I'm going to take 2 handfuls of greens. You only need 2. You don't necessarily need to do 2. You can do 1 if you choose to, but for this video, I'm just going to stuff 2 down in here, and then I'm going to blend it. Okay, got it nice and secure. Then I'm going to put it in my little blender. Okay, as you can see, it's all blended up. It looks very green. So I'm going to take off my grinder top, and I'm going to pour in my mangoes. And then I'm going to break my frozen banana in 3 little pieces and stuff it in. Okay, so now it is time to grind these ingredients up together. So you want to make sure your type is super tight, and then I'm going to grind them. Okay, as you can see, it's all blended up. It looks very green. So I'm going to take off my grinder top, and I'm going to pour in my mangoes. And then I'm going to break my frozen banana in 3 little pieces and stuff it in. Okay, so now it is time to grind these ingredients up together. So you want to make sure your type is super tight, and then I'm going to grind them. Okay, so I just stopped the blender because I want to see the texture of it, because you can do it 2 ways. You can make it nice and thick, almost like a milkshake type, or you can like have it nice and thin and smooth. So let me see my texture, because I don't like mine too thick because it gives me milkshake vibes. I like smoothies, but I don't like them to be like extra, extra thick. So I'm going to check it out and see what it looks like. Okay, yeah, for me it's really, really thick. As you can see, it's really thick. So I'm going to put it on the blender and let it blend a little bit more, so it is nice and thin and smooth. Okay, so let's check it out and see is the texture where I want it to be. Oh yeah, that's much better. You can even see the difference. See how flowy it is. It's not real like thick. So yes, this is how I like my smoothies, but it's actually a preference. You can like it really thick, like a milkshake, or you can like it really smooth. I mean, hence smoothies. Smoothies should be smooth and creamy. But yeah, this is what it should look like. I'm going to get my top and get my straw, and I always like to do my light taste test because that's the fun part of it. Okay, just put a lid on it. You can either sip out of it or you can put a straw into it and then taste. Very good.